Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. This is our first module on fluid mechanics. In this module, we are just going to describe or enumerate recommended books to be used in our upcoming regular academic video lectures. Dear students, fluid mechanics is a major course of BS physics. In our first half of BS physics, that is to say during first 4 semesters of BS physics, which are also termed as associate degree program or BSc physics, in first 4 semesters or associate degree program or BSc physics level, we study only mechanics. This only mechanics can also be termed as or titled as basic mechanics or elementary mechanics. But in the second half of BS physics, we take the courses as classical mechanics, quantum mechanics and fluid mechanics. So classical mechanics, quantum mechanics and fluid mechanics are all major courses, while simple mechanics or elementary mechanics or basic mechanics is foundation level course. Dear students, fluid mechanics as a major course is not included in compulsory major courses. It is always included in elective or optional major courses. It is also included in BS mathematics as an elective or optional major course. So anyhow, without going in further detail on this topic, we start our module as it ought to be started. Okay, dear students, with respect to books recommended, first we will discuss 4 general physics books from where we will select one chapter each, and thereafter we will come towards course specific advanced level major books, which are 21. Okay, so 21 plus 4 equal to 25 books. 25 books is a comprehensive collection on this subject. So let us first start from general physics books. First book, Fundamentals of Physics Extended, Haliday Resnick Journal, Walker. Wiley is the publisher, and 10th and 11th edition will be followed. And its chapter number 14 under title Fluids will be followed, will be consulted. Okay, second general physics book is Sears and Siemens Skies University Physics with Modern Physics. Hug D. Young, Roger A. Friedman, A. Lavisford. Publisher is Pearson. Its 14th edition or 15th edition will be followed, and its only chapter which is the relevant chapter with respect to fluid mechanics is chapter number 12 under title Fluid Mechanics. Third general physics book is Physics for Scientists and Engineers with Modern Physics. Raymond A. Survey, John W. Jude, J.R. Publisher Cengage. 9th or 10th edition will be followed. Relevant chapter is chapter number 14, Fluid Mechanics. Fourth general physics book is Physics for Scientists and Engineers with Modern Physics. Author is Douglas C. Giancoli and publisher is Pearson. Its 4th or 5th edition will be followed, and its relevant chapter is chapter number 13 under title Fluids. Now we come towards course specific major books, advanced level books. Okay, book number 1, fluid mechanics. Authors are, it's three authors. Okay, number 1 is Piyush K Kundu, Pijesh K Kundu. Second author is Ira M Cohen. Third author is David R Dowling, PhD. Okay, exact pronunciation may differ slightly. Its publisher is Academic Press, and its sixth edition 2015 will be followed. Book number 2, Fox and McDonald's, Introduction to Fluid Mechanics. Its authors are Philip J. Pritchard. Second author is John W. Mitchell. Publisher is John Wiley and Sons, and its 10th edition 2020 will be followed. Book number 3, Fundamentals of Fluid Mechanics. Its authors are 4 authors. Okay, Bruce R. Munson, Wade W. Hughes, Huebsch. I pronounce it as Hughes, whatever may be the exact pronunciation. Wade W. Hughes. Other author is Elric P. Rothbard. Next author is Theodore H. Okishi. Publisher is Wiley, and its 7th edition 2012 will be followed. Next, book number 4, Fluid Mechanics. Its authors are Victor L. Streeter. Victor L. Streeter. Okay, first author is Victor L. Streeter, and co-authors are E. Benjamin Wiley and K. W. Bedford. Its publisher is McGraw-Hill Education India, and its 9th edition 2017 will be followed. Book number 5, Basic Fluid Mechanics and Hydraulic Machines. Its publishers are Zoeb Hussain, Muhammad Zulkifli Abdullah, whatever may be the exact name, Muhammad Zulkifli Abdullah. Other co-author is Zainul Alimuddin. Okay, all the 3 authors seem to be Muslim authors, but their names are slightly unusual. Okay, Zoeb Hussain, Muhammad Zulkifli Abdullah, Zainul Alimuddin. Its publisher is BS Publications India, and edition is of 2008. Book number 6, Engineering Fluid Mechanics. Its authors are Clayton T. Crowe. Co-author is Donald F. Elger. Third author is Barbara C. Williams. Okay. Fourth author is John A. Robertson. Okay. Once again, Clayton T. Crowe, Donald F. Elger, Barbara C. Williams, John A. Robertson. Its publisher is Wiley, and its 10th edition 2013 will be followed. Book number 7, Fluid Mechanics for Engineers, a graduate textbook. Its author is Maynard T. Shobri. Okay, whatever may be the exact pronunciation, Maynard T. Shobri. Its publisher is Springer, and edition is that of 2010. Book number 8, Fluid Mechanics Problems and Solutions. Its author is Joseph H. Spark. Publisher is Springer, and edition is that of 1997. Book number 9, Fluid Mechanics Fundamentals and Applications. Eunice A. Sengel, Doctor. Whatever may be the exact pronunciation, Eunice A. Sengel, Doctor. John M. Kimbala. Its publisher is McGraw-Hill and its fourth edition 2017 will be followed. Book number 10, Physical Fluid Dynamics. Its author is Day J. Tritton. Publisher is McGraw-Hill and its fourth edition 2017 will be followed. Book number 11, Fluid Mechanics Demystified, a self-teaching guide. Its author is Merle C. Potter. Its publisher is McGraw-Hill and the edition is of the year 2009. Book number 12, Engineering Fluid Mechanics. Author is W.P. Grable. Its publisher is Taylor and Frankis and the edition is of the year 2001. Book number 13, Basics of Fluid Mechanics. Author is Yannick Barr-Mayer, PhD. Publisher is Free Software Foundation and the edition is that of 2011. Book number 14, The Finite Element Method for Fluid Dynamics. Authors are O.C. Zenkiewicz, R.L. Taylor, P. Nithyarasu. Its publisher is Butterworth Honeyman and its 7th edition 2014 will be followed. Book number 15, Elementary Fluid Dynamics. Oxford Applied Mathematics and Computer Science series. Its author is D.J. Acheson. Okay, D.J. Acheson. Its publisher is Oxford University Press and the edition is that of 2005. Book number 16, Fluid Mechanics L.D. Lando, E.M. Lifshitz. Its publisher is Butterworth Honeyman and its second edition 1987 will be followed. Book number 17, Fluid Mechanics. Author is Frank M. White. Publisher is McGraw-Hill and its 9th edition 2021 will be followed. Book number 18, Fundamental Mechanics of Fluids. Author is I.J. Curie and Marcel Decker. Okay, two authors, I.J. Curie, Marcel Decker. Its 3rd edition 2003 will be followed. Book number 19, An Introduction to Fluid Dynamics. Author is G.K. Batchelor. Publisher is Cambridge University Press and its second edition 2000 will be followed. Book number 20, Liquids and Gases, Principles of Fluid Mechanics. Its authors are Fletcher Paul and Patricia A. Keeler. Okay, Fletcher Paul, Patricia A. Keeler. Its publisher is Living Book Press and the edition is of 2019. Book number 21, last book, Fluid Mechanics, An Introduction to the Theory of Fluid Flows. Okay, Fluid Mechanics, An Introduction to the Theory of Fluid Flows. Its author is Franz Durst. Publisher is Springer and the edition is that of the year 2008 and this is the end of our module. Okay.